Imagine this. You find the file that you want to print. You put it into Simplify 3D, you get it ready to print, and it looks like this. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you want to see me do more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's do it.
So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into Meshmixer. I'll have a link in the description down below of where you can get that. And we are going to import our file. In this case, it's going to be drift number 2 for me. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a hole there. So what you're going to want to do is go over to here, go to Edit, select Make Solid. It's going to come up like this. Now that doesn't look much better. We're going to go over here to Solid Accuracy, and we're going to put that all the way up, and Mesh Density all the way up as well, and click on Update. Once that's finished, we will have a fully solid part. As you can see, the hole that was there is now gone. Click Accept. Now you just want to go File, Export. Click on the same file that you had in Meshmixer that you were fixing. In my case, it's drift number 2. And click Save. Yes, we do. Once that's finished, we're going to go back to Simplify 3D. We're going to remove drift 2, import drift 2 again. And there it is. Now this time, if we click on Prepare to Print, there will be no breaks in the physical print itself.
I hope this video helped everyone. If you'd like to see more, as I said in the start, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and make sure you're getting notifications for when I put them up. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd also love to see some comments down below on if this helped you out or not, and what prints it helped you out with. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day.